Hello, tech enthusiast. You've come to the right place. At Tech, we analyze everything that's coming onto the market, the latest and greatest in technology. Xiaomi has officially launched the global version of its new operating system, HyperOS 3, outside of China, debuting on the new Xiaomi 15T and 15T Pro devices. This major update, based on Android 16, with an Android 15 variant for select devices, introduces significant changes across user experience, interface design, and AI-driven features. HyperOS 3 features a comprehensive visual overhaul, resulting in a cleaner and more cohesive interface. All native Xiaomi applications, including camera, gallery, and settings, have received redesigned icons and widgets, aiming for a more attractive and uniform design language compared to previous versions. The most noticeable functional change is the introduction of Hyper Island, a dynamic notification and real-time event interface. Clearly inspired by Apple's Dynamic Island, this feature minimizes multimedia controls, timers, or real-time delivery tracking into a section at the top of the screen, providing quick access to relevant actions regardless of the application currently in use. Xiaomi notes that support for compatible apps will continue to expand. Real-time translation: the system can translate, transcribe, and subtitle on-screen content in real time, including videos and voice recordings, making international meetings and foreign content easily accessible. Smart Search: AI-powered search capabilities are integrated into the gallery and throughout the device, allowing users to find content quickly using more natural language queries. Content generation: the AI can analyze on-screen images, e.g., brainstorming notes, and generate corresponding text, aiding in social media posts or work analysis. Dynamic wallpapers: Hyper AI also enables the creation of dynamic or live wallpapers. Ecosystem and compatibility: Xiaomi has specifically improved cross-device compatibility, particularly with Apple products. HyperOS 3 allows users to access and control their Xiaomi device screen from a Mac or iPad, promoting a more fluid experience for users operating within a mixed ecosystem. Additionally, the Touch to Share function enables seamless sharing of files and contacts between Xiaomi devices and iPhones. The global rollout of HyperOS 3 is scheduled to begin in October, with over 40 mobile and tablet devices confirmed to receive the update before the end of 2025, and further rollout planned for the first quarter of 2026. If you like being at the forefront, subscribe and join our community. Activate the bell and don't miss a single update.